What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today, we're going to be talking about if Apple will make a portless iPhone. So recently Apple's been getting rid of a ton of ports lately, such as the headphone jack not being on the iPhone anymore, and then on their Macs they got rid of the USB port, just a ton of stuff like that, and now they've switched completely over to USB Type-C on their MacBooks. So you may know that last year Apple added wireless charging to the newest iPhones. And they haven't gotten rid of the lightning port just yet, but technically, now that there's wireless charging, that now means that iPhones don't really need a cable to charge them, because with wireless charging, all you have to do is get your phone and set it down. So that basically is just saying that iPhones don't need the lightning port anymore because it has wireless charging. Now Apple also released the AirPods, which are Apple's version of truly wireless earphones. And even in their AirPods commercial, they say, "We believe in a truly wireless future."
We believe in a wireless future.
Which could be hinting at the fact that they are planning to get rid of the lightning port, which would then make it 100% wireless. Now I'm not sure if they were referring to music in the sense of wireless future or just electronics in general, but that could mean that the iPhone might be 100% wireless, no ports at all. Now I could definitely see Apple being the first company to make a fully portless phone, just because it would make the iPhone a lot better at water resistance, because it wouldn't have a port that Apple has to worry about, so they could possibly raise it up to IP68 water resistance instead of at IP67, which they are currently at. Another reason why Apple might decide to switch to a portless iPhone is just because they can. Apple's no stranger to being the first to get rid of a certain port or a certain feature that most people rely on, such as the home button or the headphone jack, or all those ports that they got rid of on their computers. So it's very possible that Apple could decide to do this in the next 3 to 4 years or sooner. Now one big reason why Apple may decide not to go to a fully portless iPhone is just because of all the royalties Apple gets off of the lightning port. Because since Apple created the lightning port, they have all the patents to it and all of that, so whenever a company wants to make a third-party accessory, they have to get Apple's permission and pay Apple royalties to use their lightning port. So if Apple made a 100% portless iPhone, then they would be getting rid of all that extra money they get off of royalties. But then that just makes you think, why would they get rid of a port that makes them so much money? So with that in mind, make sure to stick around because I have a ton of awesome content coming up very soon that you definitely don't want to miss out on. And like always, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe below. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.